Tired of dirty floors? Alright folks, imagine mopping your floors without ever touching dingy water again. Meet the JOYMOOP mop and bucket with wringer set, your ticket to the cleanest floors ever, hands-free. Say goodbye to bending and squeezing because this mop has a dual-chamber magic bucket. No, that's not Hogwarts, it's the perfect mop, wash in one chamber, dry in the other. Super simple, super effective. And can we just talk about that 360-degree flat mop head? It's gliding into those corners like a pro dancer on a Saturday night. Laminate, hardwood, tiles, it cleans them all with style. Pet hair, dust bunnies, the microfiber pads gobble them up faster than you can say clean. Plus, they're reusable. Just toss them in the wash and boom, they're ready to go again. This isn't just mopping, this is experiencing joy in every swipe. It's compact, cute, and mighty strong. Every cleaning session feels like a break, not a backache. If your home deserves this effortless cleaning hero, click the link below. Don't wait, your floors will thank you.